In this video, you are going to see how to insert the location symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to insert, go to icon, right here location and search here. Then let us select this one and click on insert. Then it will be inserted. You can increase or decrease the size, and from the graphics format you can change the color. There is another way. Go to any browser and write location symbol png, and here you will find various symbol. You can write here flat icon, and here you will see various icon, and that is totally free. Click on over here, click on right button and copy the image and paste it in the PowerPoint, and here you can use it very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.